Yo, damn, voice, bro, I'm getting so many voice cracks. Damn. Alright, I don't know if I'm, like, live right now. Am I? Is it working? Wait. Yup, okay, perfect. Dubs. Bro, I have such a bad voice crack right now. I'm kind of sick, so yeah. So, this is my Gorilla Tag fan game. There's like Ape Center and then more maps here. This is the shop map. This is gonna be the maps area. There's gonna be forest and then blah blah blah. I'm also making forest right now. I finished the layout, the textures, everything for the forest. Let me just show you guys. Here. So it looks like this right now. I just need to add trees and just decorate it overall with double walls and rocks and all that. So yeah, in case you're wondering, this is Map Center. It's like this little area where you can go to the the different maps, and you can reach the Map Center by going in the Ape Center, and then it'll just say Map Center, or it'll just say Maps, and then you go here. But yeah, I haven't added text over that yet, but see if I open up the Ape Center, there's Shop, and there's Maps. Shop is actually really Sigma. This bundle does not work yet, and that is not a good price for a really good bundle. There's the OG badge, and there is the golden top hat, and there's the golden hammer. I think they all look very good. And there's these are all holdables. They're all pretty cool. And there's also a few hats that my friend Ski made, but I haven't implemented those in the game yet. So once I do, yep. And also a self-checkout system, very Sigma. And yeah, so that's how the game is looking right now. Hi, yeah, you are cool. Sorry, gotta go. Oh, alright. Bye, bro. Also, don't worry, this blob guy's not gonna stay here forever. I'm just gonna put him probably in the moon map if I make one for like low gravity. But yeah, he's just kind of there as, I don't know, Sigma guy. Um, this wardrobe was not really working that well. I want to see the issue again, and then just delete it, and then just add a new one. And yeah, it'll be the same anyways. Also, one other thing that I want to fix is the player his body doesn't have a collider. It's a really easy fix, I know how. So that won't be an issue. Yep, when I test button press, it says object reference not set. I think I might have like accidentally done something. I'm not sure what, but so let me just go ahead and Glitchcast Studios through this one. Do that. Alright, so I'm just gonna add all the cosmetics to this one. Oh, oh snap. Oh, that's why the currency code is NB. What? I forgot to change that. Oh no, oh no, it is NB. Yeah, for nebulas. Yeah, I don't know then. That's weird. The shop system works. It's just the thingy, the wardrobe. That's the problem. So candy bucket, I'll add that. There's, or wait, okay, let's start off with, this is chocolate bar. It's called chocolate bar. New one, call this candy bucket. There's that one. Slushy. And then there's just, wait a sec, what the Sigma? What is going on? Okay, yeah, alright, nice, plus. There we go, finally pops up. And there's bats, yep. And then candy, corn, drink. So now I'm just gonna set the prefab to all of these. Just go in the shelves, and so let me just prefab unpack completely on this one. So, oh yeah. So with the shelves, this shelf, this is where all the cosmetics are. So for chocolate bar, I'm just gonna drag in the game object. Chocolate bar, candy buckets, let's drag in the candy buckets. Slushy, slushy. There's what? There's 2 slushies. There's 3 slushies. What the hell? Uh-oh. That's not very Sigma. No, what? I deleted the wrong thing. Like, I want this to be deleted. Yep, okay, now it's blue. Press on that 3 lines, I guess. I don't know. So we got slushy, we got bat. And we got candy corn drink. There we go. Now I just want to test something. Wait, where did the... There it is. Okay, so this is the wardrobe that's supposed to be working. Hopefully. I think. Yep, okay, this should be working perfectly. So let me just go ahead and that. Bro, why is it not working? Why is it not working? Bro. I don't know what that means. Errors are so useless when they don't tell you how to fix them. See, if I just add the default one without adding any of my cosmetics on it, it's just gonna be like this. It's just gonna work. I don't know why. Like, let's see. See, it works. It's just, why do my cosmetics do something? I'm gonna rewatch the tutorial on how to add the wardrobe. It's a bit hard. But, hi Tiffany Hodges. Hi. Let me go to, wait, how do I go to, okay, I'll just open a new YouTube tab. I just want to write, how to add a wardrobe to your Gorilla Tag fan game. No, this one is so bad. This wardrobe actually looks pretty Sigma, but I got banned from that guy's Discord because I did at everyone. I didn't even know that was illegal, but yeah. And this guy's just copying that, so let's
Hello everybody, welcome back to another Glitch Cat Studios video. You gotta hold the Alt tab. Left, or previous page arrow, next page, unpack completely, and then just drag that right in here. And then now you can put it right into the wardrobe. So, all you have to do is drag it right in there. Or, you could also find the actual game object of the thing. I'm just gonna use that for example. And you could also drag the actual game object in. It doesn't have to be prefab.
Okay, so the error I was having that usually happens when it can't find something. So I'm just gonna go to my resources, Photon VR and player, and see if all the cosmetics are named like I wrote. All of these are written correctly, like candy bucket, chocolate bar, yes, candy corn, drink, bat. Yup, all 5 of these cosmetics are written correctly. Is it because this is not called holdables? I really don't know.
So, and then there's one other thing we also have to set up here too. So, go to your PlayFab, and then this is my tutorial title. Go to the economy tab, go to catalogs legacy, new catalog. If you don't already have one, create a new catalog. If you already have one, if you already have a catalog in there, just create a new catalog. Don't set it as your primary one, because it does not need to be your primary one. Catalog version is the catalog title. So I'm gonna name that cosmetics. And in case you name it something else, you can edit the catalog name right here, and that little slot right there. And then now, because our cosmetic name is VR Top Hat, right here, select that, Control C, and you would hit new item over here, paste VR Top Hat in item ID, item class, and display name. Just keep that on durable. Now this is the part that you need. So, check currency, or no, you can just check that little box. Select your currency code, which this one for this title is AA. If you don't have one, it would be economy, currency legacy, and then you just create a new one. But I'm gonna use my current one and type in the amount that the item costs. If it costs 0, you still have to put in 0, because PlayFab needs something to go off of. So I'm just gonna put in 100 here for example, and then just hit save. And you want to do that for every single cosmetic. And then if you would like to give this to the player, I'm just gonna create a new.
Is there like something wrong with the PlayFab, or? Okay, so it accidentally logged me off. Wait, Dork, you should make a Minecraft server again. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. But yeah, hi guys. So like, maybe there's something wrong with my PlayFab, but PlayFab just signs me out sometimes, so I got to sign back in, and I don't really want to leak my email on stream, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, so you guys can't see. I'm still gonna be here, so yeah. It's just so I don't leak my actual email, because that would not be Sigma. Now I can turn it back on because I'm already in. But yeah, Ape Drift. We'll go to economy and catalogs legacy once again. There is 6 items here. Yes. Chocolate bar, candy bucket, pat. They're all correct. I don't know. I don't know at all. It's not that. That's not the problem then.
Player for an example, because why not? This will. Alright, well, so to give any item to a player, this will work. It's just like mod cosmetics. You go to the player, hit inventory legacy, and then if this is not your primary catalog, you would have to hit the drop down and hit cosmetics or whatever your cosmetics catalog is. You don't have to type in the item ID. You just have to hit select item under your cosmetic that you want to give them. Hit select and hit grant item. That will grant them the ID. Sorry, not ID. The actual item. So now that we have that in here, that's under head cosmetics. So that should be set up. Do not change these slots, because that's, if you do, you're going to get some problems. Unselected and selected, you can change these if you want. I just have defaults in here. And then that's the catalog name that we were just talking about. And then if you would like to mess around with it in Unity Editor, you just have to go into play, to go to scene, and then for whatever reason, it is not showing here. But it kind of is. Oh, you know why? Okay, so make sure in your prefab, or game object or whatever, make sure you set this to 0, 0, 0, or else it will appear kind of weird. And also scale it to your liking. And this one in particular has to be 10, 10, 10 because...
Well, I basically just did everything that he did, but it's really not working, and I don't know why. And they're all the same. See, because if I go to this one, yep, cosmetics, that, stop ones, cosmetics, solo cosmetics. These are all just called body cosmetics and stuff. Should I just rename this holdable cosmetics? This is kind of risky. It might give me errors for something else that's using right hand cosmetics. But let's just see if it'll work. Because, If it doesn't, I'll just change it back to right hand, but yeah. Let me just give it a shot. Alright, so let me just do this. Test button press. We're still getting errors. Object reference not set to an. I have no idea what that means. Something with photon or dark cosmetics. Do I have like I know something that it might be, but I'm pretty sure that it's not because I made sure. I don't know. I'm gonna go back to the GitHub page. So I gotta go to GlitchCat Studios. GCS Dev Hub. Wardrobe. Bro, where is the GitHub? This is so confusing. Okay. Alright. I did that already. Let me try. This is beta 1.0. I tried the older Photon one. Let me try the newer Photon. See if it works. So it will probably give me errors for having the same script. So I'll just probably have to delete the old one. Yeah. So I have the old Photon VR. Wait a sec, let me just. Okay. Got no warnings, but I doubt it'll be any different from the last one. Why is there only head cosmetics? What? Well, get out of here. There we go. It's not gonna work. Alright, why am I playtesting? I haven't even written any cosmetics in it yet. After I write cosmetics in it, watch it not work. Just watch. Let's just do one. Let's just do chocolate bar. Chocolate bar. We don't need a prefab. Who cares? It's just a test anyway. Now let me see. What the? Yeah, we didn't get any thingy errors. Wrong title ID quitting game. What? Great, no issue. long time. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. It's the anti-cheat that I have. It's just detecting every little detail and saying this. I'm a hacker. I literally made the game. I'm not a hacker, bro. Advanced need. What is this? That's just a computer. Anti-cheat. Anti-cheat, anti-cheat, anti-cheat. Better anti-cheat. Okay, buddy, get out of here. Get out of here, buddy. Load up. Let me just search up anti-cheat. Buddy, get out of here. I'll just add another better anti-cheat later. Yeah. I'm gonna try and add a few more cosmetics and see if it breaks again. And I'm not gonna unpack it. It worked when it was packed, so I'm not gonna go ahead and risk it again. Also, I'm gonna add the chocolate bar here. Because, you know, it's a chocolate bar cosmetic. Yeah. This is candy buckets. There we go. Let me just drag that in here. Perfect. This is slushy. There we go. What have I done? What have I done? Oh, there's... Ooh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti. There's like 3 million slushies now. Oops, I messed up. Or did I? Okay, there's only one. Okay. I just gotta change this to bat. Match the bat. Let me change this to candy corn drink. Also, guys, I gotta go eat breakfast now, but let me just test this real quick, and then I'll end the stream. And also, when I do part 2 of making a Gorilla Tag fan game, make sure to watch that. And also on my alt account, just DorikVR, DodoVR_Dorik. You can find that. It'll be the second option when you search DorikVR. It has like 120 subscribers. On that, I live streamed all the previous stuff in this game. So if you want to see how all this was made, go watch that. But let me just see if this works. It doesn't. Yeah, it's one of the cosmetics. They're not Sigma-ing. But yeah, bye guys. Thanks for watching the stream. And yeah, make sure to watch the next one. Does it have horror when it releases? Yup. I will add horror before it releases.